Prolonged fasting. Today I'm going to talk about prolonged fasting and how it has helped me. It has given me immense benefit in terms of improving my overall health, my energy levels, and also suppressing or eliminating my Hodgkin's lymphoma. The weather is increasingly hot. I think these are the signs of global warming. Anyway, we'll talk about prolonged fasting, we'll talk about fitness here and there, and also a glimpse of the Northeast Festival that I had attended. And I hope you really give some love to my video. Ciao, ciao.
उसने जो कहा वो ना मिला, बेरंग हो गई सारी मंजिलें यहाँ, धड़कन भी चुपचाप चलती रही, न कोई हम सफर न दिल लगी रही।
Prolonged fasting started with 48-hour fast, going on to 7 days and then 48 days. I know it sounds extreme, but it's under supervision with a medical test in the morning and evening. The idea is to rejuvenate the cells from within, inside out. And it's really helping me, I must say. I've lost some pounds around my waist. And I can feel that when I wear my trousers, when I wear my clothes. And it's giving me clarity of vision, clear mind. And I'm not feeling the lack of food or anything like that. The first 2-3 days was tough because I used to get visions of food all the time. But then, your body starts something called autophagy, where it starts eating itself. So all the unwanted fat cells and the bad cells that are really creating havoc are being eradicated. And I'm trying. I'll try till I die. But I'm not one to give up so easily. Fasting has been practiced for thousands of years across the world in different cultures. We fast at every given opportune time, at the change of seasons, during festivities, and we have heard of yogis who have fasted intermittently for a very, very, very long period of time, and they have survived to tell their tale. In the Islamic tradition, we have fasting for 30 days. But the kind of fasting I'm talking about is where you don't eat any meal. It is actually not natural for human beings to eat so much. And that is a tough one because our bodies are used to being stuffed with breakfast, lunch, dinner. This was not the tradition for most cultures, including my own, where we just had one big meal in the morning and then straight away at night. The excess surplus that we carry within our bodies becomes the hot for a lot of ailments and diseases, especially in these times when we have so much of processed food and foods which are really not healthy for your bodies, which are laced with chemicals. Detoxification is not just having these fancy diets, but it is completely abstaining from food. Animals are wise. If you have seen your cat or dog or any other animal in the wild, when they are sick, they don't eat. They don't eat for days till they are healed. And this is exactly the principle that I'm working on. People don't walk, people don't use their feet. So I wanted to revive that, and it's helping my skin, as you can see. I have to walk back home also.
की राहें सुनसान है, कोई खबर ना सच्चा अरमान है।
So take care, Shabba Khair. For the special treated water that I carry, please like करो,